Hey everyone, this is a critical alert for all business owners in West Houston. A new cyber threat, the PolarEdge Botnet, is targeting edge devices from brands like Cisco, ASUS, QNAP, and Synology. Impress IT Solutions, a top cybersecurity provider in the region, has detected this malicious campaign. Active since late 2023, the PolarEdge Botnet exploits vulnerabilities such as CVE 2023-20118, found in Cisco Small Business RV series routers. This flaw allows attackers to execute commands and compromise your business networks. Cybersecurity experts highlight that attackers exploit outdated and unpatched systems. They deploy a sophisticated TLS backdoor, enabling remote command execution, remaining undetected for long periods. This is why proactive cybersecurity is crucial. A senior analyst at Impress IT Solutions emphasizes the need for a multi-layered cybersecurity strategy. Businesses in West Houston, particularly those using edge devices, need robust firewalls, regular patching, and continuous network monitoring. The PolarEdge Botnet's infection process is advanced, involving malicious payloads, file modifications, and persistent backdoor execution. Attackers gain control of devices for large-scale cyber attacks and data breaches. Impress IT Solutions recommends several measures to protect your business. Regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities before hackers do. Advanced endpoint protection to monitor and mitigate risks. Network segmentation to limit attacker movement within your infrastructure. Employee training on phishing and social engineering tactics. Incident response planning to handle cyber incidents effectively. West Houston businesses can't afford to ignore these sophisticated threats. Impress IT Solutions is committed to providing cutting-edge security solutions to safeguard your enterprise. Contact us today to learn how we can help you fortify your defenses against threats like the PolarEdge Botnet. Stay safe out there.